Today we are here for Hindi Prathamik. So the video will be about Hindi Prathamik students. It will be helpful as well as for the spoken Hindi learners because we will be seeing today Mera, Tumhara, Hamara, Aapka. So what's the difference? And where do we use Mera, Tumhara, Hamara and Aapka? So we'll start the one. So see learners, मैं. This one is मैं plus ka. So when we say मैं with ka, it will be mera. So these are the terms which you should understand, which you should know before itself. Sorry. So see मैं ka, here it will be like this one we will say as मैं, हम, वह, वे. This one again, aap, tum, all these are sarvanam, which in Hindi we say sarvanam, which is in English pronoun. So in Hindi we say sarvanamon ka sambandh karak roop is this one. Sambandh karak roop means you can say as a genitive case of pronouns and say in English. So basically these are like मैं plus का equals to मेरा, हम plus का, हम, when we add it with का it will be हमारा. That all indicates us something is related with, something we are relating with. So these are the rules. When मैं with का it will be मेरा. So these are the rules. You can just see हम with का it will be हमारा, वह with का it will be उसका, वे with का उनका. वे means staying to they, the persons, उनका. कौन का, कौन means we are asking who, कौन, किसका, whose, किसका. Same way तुम, का will be तुम्हारा, तुम and का. तुम means we are referring to the second person, तुम, तुम्हारा, yours. आप का, आपका, again referring to the second person, some other person, so आपका. Then यह का, इसका, which means यह person which is near to us, singular person near to us. यह, we refer to them as यह. So यह का, इसका, ये का, ये means we are referring to group of persons or a singular person giving a person a respect, maybe an elder person. So in this way we will say ये का, इनका, इनका. कौन का, कौन means who, कौन का, किनका, किसका, किसका सामान है यह. whose is this, we can say for this one. किनका है ये, किनका means referring to the persons. Okay, here persons, here this is for the person. Now we'll start with the same. मेरा नाम राम है, which means मेरा नाम, my name is Ram. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, what is your name. So तुम्हारा you can relate with this one, तुम्हारा, तुम्हारा which means your. So just see here, मेरा नाम दिनेश है. So again we'll go one by one. मेरा नाम राम है, which means my is for मेरा, my name is for name, नाम. Ram is the name of the person, है is. My name is Ram. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तुम्हारा, तुम्हारा which means this one, this तुम्हारा. We are relating with this one, second person, your. So what is your name, what means क्या, what meaning here is क्या. What is which is है is, your तुम्हारा, नाम as name. So what is your name? Again मेरा नाम दिनेश है, so my name is Dinesh. So no need to explain about this more. I think everyone will know this one. Moving to the next one. यह मेरा कुत्ता है. Now कुत्ता means dog. यह which means यह means something or someone, singular one, singular, which means here I am stating, like here the statement is stating for a dog, which is a dog, singular dog. So मेरा कुत्ता, because a matra is there, कुत्ता, hence मेरा. So this मेरा is completely based on the next one, next immediate word. Based on that, the मेरा or मेरी or मेरे as the case may be. So again go with me. इसका नाम टॉमी है, which means इसका, इसका here, इसका, which means this इसका we are relating with his, her or its. The meaning here we are relating with this one, the dog. So यह मेरा कुत्ता है means someone is introducing this is my dog, the dog's name is Tommy. So इसका नाम, इसका means relating to the कुत्ता dog, इसका नाम, its name, name which is नाम, टॉमी है, टॉमी the name. इसका रंग गोरा है, again this इसका refers to the dog whose name is Tommy. So we are elaborating the same, we are describing about the Tommy who is a dog. इसका रंग गोरा है, again रंग means color, color you can say as complexion here, and gora which means white. So its complexion is white. वह किसका कुत्ता है, वह means we are stating something, वह that which is far from us but singular one. So वह किसका means whose dog is that. Then वह उसका कुत्ता है, वह उसका, again this इसका, उसका, all this refers either to his if it's a masculine gender, her if it's a feminine gender, it's means it's an object, then we'll say in this way. So like वह उसका कुत्ता है, that dog belongs to her, that dog belongs to him. So his or her, that dog belongs to his or her. Then उसका रंग, again उसका रंग काला है, उसका रंग काला है. So that means there are two dogs. One dog name is Tommy, one dog's name is Tommy, and which has the complexion white. Another dog whose name is not yet disclosed here and its complexion is black, and hence it's asking वह किसका कुत्ता है, whose dog is that. Then यह मकान, again यह मकान किसका है, same way यह मकान किसका है. मकान means you can say as a home, a house, makan, house. So यह means this house is of whose, किसका, whose house is this, whose house is this. यह मकान सरकार का है, सरकार means government. So this house is of government, of meaning here is का, of means का, this house is of government. इसमें सरकार का दफ्तर है, इसमें सरकार का दफ्तर है, which means this house belongs to government, and in the house, that is in the building, we have government officers. Officers means you can say here daftar, office. Again we'll revise the same. So learners, please note why this मेरा, this one, why this मेरा, हमारा, उसका, उनका, किसका, किनका, इनका, इसका, आपका, तुम्हारा, this all play a pivotal role. When you wish to learn Hindi, these are also vocabulary words which play a pivotal role. You should know where to apply, what's the meaning. So मेरा नाम, मेरा, you should know मेरा. मेरा we wrote is because of the word नाम, because नाम has na, a matra. Again तुम्हारा, a will come because नाम is there. Same way over here, इसका, यह मेरा कुत्ता है, someone, two persons are there, first person introducing, यह मेरा कुत्ता है, this dog is like this dog is of mine. So इसका नाम टॉमी है, इसका means then we are referring to the dog, इसका, its name is Tommy. Then we are referring again to the dog by saying its complexion, so again इसका. Then we are pointing out our finger and we are stating whose dog is that. So hence वह, हिसका, whose. Then we are stating वह उसका कुत्ता है. Then someone is saying that dog belongs to him, that dog belongs to her. So उसका, some other person. Then उसका रंग काला है, उसका रंग काला है, referring to the dog whose complexion is black. Then same example giving in different way. यह मकान किसका है, मकान stating here we can state as house, home or building. किसका है, whose is it. So यह मकान सरकार का है, this building belongs to government. सरकार का है belongs to the government. इसमें सरकार का दफ्तर है. So in this building we have government officers. So I hope you are clear now with the word मेरा, तुम्हारा, इसका, वह, iska, uska. I think these are clear where to apply and how to apply and what is the reason behind applying.